First, let's start with the fries. Slice and soak the potatoes in cold water. First, let's start with the fries. Slice and soak the potatoes in cold water. Now, it's important to dry the fries thoroughly before seasoning and baking them. Add the fries to a bowl, drizzle with vegetable oil, and sprinkle with salt. Toss them well and spread them out on trays before sliding them into the oven. While the fries are baking, let's move on to the minced steak patties. Start by cooking the shallots in a hot pan until they soften and caramelize. Then, mix the minced beef with chopped thyme, mustard, and the cooled shallots. Form the mixture into 4 patties and coat them lightly in flour before chilling in the fridge. Once the fries are golden and crisp, it's time to sear the patties in a hot pan. Sprinkle salt on both sides of the patties just before cooking them. Sear for 3 to 4 minutes until a deep golden crust forms, then flip them over. Remove the patties when they're still slightly pink inside and cover them with foil. Spread the fries on a baking sheet, drizzle with oil, and sprinkle with salt. Bake until golden brown and crispy. While the fries are baking, heat a pan with a little oil. Cook the patties until they're dark brown on the outside, but still juicy inside. In the same pan, add the remaining onions and fry until tender. Stir in cream, mustard, egg yolks, and tarragon for that rich Béarnaise sauce. Serve the juicy steak with those crispy fries and a fresh green salad. Don't forget that delicious Béarnaise sauce on the side. Start by heating some